love the Gumball machine. It's so much fun. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Doors on the bus open and shut. Bells on the bus go ding, ding, ding. Wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Doors on the bus open and shut. Bells on the bus go ding, ding, ding. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Are you sick? No, Papa, I am fine. Eat nice red apples. Brush your teeth. Take a bath. Drink juice. Go to bed. Eat nice blue bananas. Wash your hands. Comb your hair.
Say please.
Please.
Well.
Say thank you. Yeah, Appa.
Thank you, Papa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Learn colors red, blue, and yellow. Learn shapes circle, square, and triangle. Learn numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Learn letters A to Z. Ha! Learn days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Learn months of the year. Learn seasons spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Learn about shapes and colors. Ha! Learn about numbers and letters. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Learn about days of the week and months of the year. Learn about seasons and weather. Learn about shapes, colors, numbers, and letters. Learn about days of the week, months of the year, seasons, and weather. Learn about different animals. Learn about different countries. Learn about different cultures. Learn about different foods. Learn about different music instruments.